Hello, my name is Angie Juliet Villamizar Hernandez. I'm going to talk about my experience. Um, the experience that I'm going to talk about is my first carnival in Barranquilla. I always wanted to go to Barranquilla, and in 2017, I went to the carnival with my family. It was wonderful. I have always loved the vallenato and salsa music, and there I was delighted with the place. You have to go there if you love this music. One of the places that I visit was the avenue of the river. It is beautiful because along the avenue you can find in the ground the different rivers that flow into the majestic Magdalena and the place where they flow into. I think that it has been my favorite place of Barranquilla. The restaurant Rex is famous for its structure and its history. Many years ago, this restaurant was a cinema to adults, and if you go into there, you can see many posters with all sex movies. I haven't seen a place like that. Other places that I visited was Salgar Port, Colombia Port, and Samanilla Beach. Since I went to Colombia Port, I have had the idea to have a restaurant next to the beach. There is a splendid bar, and I want a similar one. It was my experience.